Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a greatest opportunity that has been running over online. So this is an app we need to look at into it today. It is called Neptune. All you just need to do is to have a network connection, navigate yourself to your Play Store and download this amazing app called Neptune. After that, you just need to open it and sign up. It's users friendly and the interface are very friendly. Okay, so just look at it and see what's going on. So what you just need to do is just click on the create app. Okay, copy the private key there, paste it here, and create your wallet password. So I'm going to do right away.
What's from me?
And create your wallet password over here.
Everything about her speaks life.
Okay.
But then far from my eyes to behold.
So the next thing you just need to do is just click on confirm it.
Amen.
And everything will be put on.
What have you
okay
with me?
So as we are going, you will be seeing and be watching as well. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning viewers, you're welcome.
What have you with me?
Do want to subscribe to my channel and as well like my videos.
The timing of the gods.
So the next thing that you need to do, you just need to go to my. You can see my beneath down there by the right. You can see my there.
They bring nothing
So
else
the my,
peace
after getting that, go to what is it called?
Okay.
Invitations.
Concerning what my son
Go to invitation, which is a friend's invitation. So you are going to use this my own code here to gain a bonus of 500 USD live. Okay. Me, I'm going to use this person on, which is
Father, I wish to go inside.
I have a referral already, so you too need a referral. So you're going to put the code there, then you bind. The moment you bind your wallet, 500 USD will reflect in your wallet.
Achieve my dreams repeatedly for nothing.
So as for me, I'm going to leave my code beneath the description and also at the downside comment section so that you just use it to sign up. Okay. Let me quickly get mine, the referral code, and claim my 500 USD.
Distant kingdom. Your Majesty.
And claim my 500 USD as well. So let me quickly get my own code.
What is it that troubles you? The lion of this great kingdom to have called us back.
Sorry, I'm in search of my own code.
We are called the crown prince of Ugumba. Intends to find a maiden.
So we're moving on.
The maiden that's been appearing repeatedly.
As you can see, I'm about to get my own code to claim the bonus. I've gotten my own code, NBA capital MX of H.
Anuka was here previously.
So the next thing that you just need to do
is from Mbanabo. Your Majesty.
Okay, I've gotten my own code. Let me insert it. NBA capital MX of H. Okay, now I'm going to bind. Now you watch.
I hope
back to my dashboard.
That may affect us tomorrow.
So you click on the wallet and refresh. Wow. You can now see it reflects right here. Okay, you can now see. So all you just need to do, pick up your smartphone and grab this a greater opportunity and do the same thing. And if it doesn't work, please do well to notify me on the comment section. I'll get back to you ASAP. And also share, like the video for it to go viral and for a lot of people also to get access to this amazing and great bonus. And also stay with me so that whenever I drop any amazing video of this nature, it will get to you immediately. So at this junction, I would like to thank you for staying with me, for sticking with me to the end of this video. I'll be leaving by now and expect my video in the nearest time. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And before I go, you can as well use your own referral to to refer, use your own referral code to refer a lot of people, and you keep getting bonus. And also keep watching. Whenever this one is listed, bam, you get your money. Okay, whenever it's listed in an exchange, you get what is yours. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.